All right, SNHU Penman coming to town. First guy we're going to face in game one tomorrow, Jeffrey Pramel. Guy we've been watching video on pretty much all week. Fastball, slider, changeup guy. He's going to attack with the fastball, 88 to 90. We'll run it up to 92. Long and lanky. Can and will spin for strikes. Slider is tight. Will run off the plate. Need to set our sights away and stay in timing window number one on him. Best comp for a guy that we've seen so far from what I'm seeing in video is probably my cut, the guy that we faced against Millersville in game one. So you can kind of see here as we look at his breakdown, going to want to live away to righties, tries to get away to lefties, sometimes to leave things in the middle of the plate. But we look at the splits. Really going to try to attack with the fastball to lefties. He's about even with fastball and spin to righties, but a guy that I think, I don't know that we want to attack the spin as much as we need to stay on the fastball in that timing window number one. Look at tendencies early in the count. And I think the big thing, this is the one shooter we'll have in the dugout on him, but the big thing is when you look at all the synergy data from the Cape and from 2021 when he pitched at SNHU, again, away, but look at where the damage is being done off young Jeffrey Pramel. Middle of the field, middle away to righties. So I think if we stay in that approach, it's going to really set us up for success off of him. Good look here at some of the fastballs. Again, big guy, tall, long, lanky. I feel like the ball's going to get on top of us. We want to be slowing early in our load and be ready to attack that fastball. What I have noticed as I'm watching video of him is with runners on, he's going to leg kick. He's going to give us opportunities to run. He's really going to let it eat. Again, we've watched a lot of video on him this week, so I feel like we have a pretty good idea on what Pramel's going to try to do to us. Get a look at some of his sliders here. Rather not go lefty sliders to the lefty, but here's a good look to the righty. Again, these are good hitters. He's creating some of these swing and misses. So I feel like we do need to stay on that fastball. He's going to want to run the slider off of it. If we can stay on the fastball, I think that's going to set us up to be disciplined in the zone with the slider, even though it is late breaking. Again, much like the slider that we faced, at least from what I'm seeing in video from my cut. So I feel like we've seen a guy like him so far and a guy that we've had success off of already. So I'm looking forward to this challenge tomorrow. I think it's going to be a fun matchup for us. Game two starter, Josh Roberge. Similar to Pramel in the sense that he's going to attack. All their guys pretty much attack. They're low walk guys, not high strikeout guys, in the zone a lot, especially these first two starters. Josh has a fastball, slider, changeup combo. He's ticked up a little bit more, 90-92 with his velo. Wants to live away. He'll miss arm side with run. Looks like he has a little bit quicker of an arm swing. Uses the slider and changeup to induce weak contact when he's in trouble. So we got to stay disciplined to hunting the fastball when he's got runners on first and second. He really likes to try to get weak contact early and induce those double play balls. So when we look at his splits, again, 21 punchies in 20 innings, so about a punchy an inning. Low walk guy, attack. Got up to 93. Heavy fastball use early in the count. And again, to righties, he's going to spin down and off the plate. Fastball away. When he misses, this is the arm side miss. Lefties, he can get out there a little bit better than Pramel can. And then not many right on right changeup. A little bit heavier left on right changeup. So when we break down the splits, the good thing is A lot of these guys pitched in summer ball, so we have some really good reports and really good numbers on them. Much like Pramel, when we look at the splits on synergy across his SNHU data and his data from summer ball, that timing window won. It's where guys are doing damage. Here to here, gap to gap, just staying on the ball. Let's look at some video breakdown of Josh. Away, away, away. A little bit quicker of an arm swing. The biggest difference between these two is, let me see if I can pull this video from SNHU. He works quick. He wants to get it and go. So he's going to attack, but he's going to get the ball and he's going to be ready to rock. He kind of plays that to his advantage. Here's video from the World Series. Gives you a good look. Good look at the slider here. Down and away, running it off. Another slider. But this is a good view here of what I'm saying. Oh, quick pitch. So you got to be ready for that. Gets the sign, kind of modifies his set with nobody on, gets on you. Versus here, gets a sign. There's another quick pitch of the same one. Let me get this one. Boom. Gets it and goes. Early in the game, start the game a little bit more under control. Takes his time. Gets into a rhythm a little bit. There's runner on. Come on. Quick. 0-1 emergency swing here. Guy's not even ready. Oh, man, here we go. Boom. So I want us to take advantage of the time that we have in the box. I don't want us to feel rushed, but we just have to know that this is a weapon of his that he likes to utilize. We'll get a little bit wild at times. Two quality arms. It's going to be a fun test. I know we're going to be up to the challenge. I'm excited to get a good look at these guys for the first time. I feel like we have a really good plan going in. If we need to make an adjustment off of it, obviously we will. We have a ton of information on these guys. We've watched a ton of video this week, and we had a really good week of prep. So I'm fired up to get it rolling tomorrow at the Doyle. Go Bolts.